Your heart starts beating fast. Your hands feel cold. Your mind suddenly becomes empty. You want to speak, but no words come out. This is the moment many people know too well. The fear of speaking is not just about language, it is deeper. It is the fear of being judged, the fear of making mistakes, the fear of not being good enough. And here is a hard truth. The more you stay silent, the stronger your fear becomes. Many people wait for the perfect moment to speak. They wait until their English is perfect. But that moment never comes, because confidence does not come before action, it comes after action. Right now, there are thousands of people just like you. They understand English. They study every day, but when it is time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because fear is controlling them. But what if you could change that? What if you could train your mind to stay calm and speak with confidence? Today, you will learn how. Speaking is one of the most powerful skills in life. It is not just about language. It is about connection. It is about expression. It is about showing the world who you truly are. But for many English learners, speaking feels like a battle. You know the words, you understand the grammar, but when you try to speak, something stops you. That something is fear. And here is something important you must understand. Fear is not your enemy, it is a signal. It shows you where you need to grow. In this video, you will learn simple but powerful ways to overcome your fear of speaking. You will learn how to control your thoughts, how to stay calm, and how to build real confidence step by step. These are not difficult techniques. They are simple, clear, and effective. You will discover that speaking is not about being perfect. It is about being brave. And once you understand this, everything begins to change. So if you have ever felt nervous, afraid, or silent when you wanted to speak, this video is for you. Take a deep breath and get ready to change the way you see fear and the way you use your voice. Many people are afraid to speak because they want to be perfect. They think, if I make a mistake, people will judge me. This thought creates pressure, and pressure creates fear. But here is the truth. Mistakes are not failure, they are progress. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but the child does not stop. The child does not think, I am not good enough. The child simply tries again. This is how learning works. When you speak English, you are learning a new skill, and every mistake you make is helping your brain grow stronger. Imagine this, you are in a conversation, you say a sentence, but the grammar is not perfect. For a moment you feel embarrassed, but the other person understands you. The conversation continues. Now ask yourself, what really happened? Nothing bad. This is the moment you must remember. Communication is more important than perfection. The more you accept mistakes, the more relaxed you become. And when you are relaxed, your mind works better. So instead of thinking, I must be perfect, say to yourself, I allow myself to learn. This small change in thinking can remove a lot of fear. Many people wait for a big opportunity. They think, one day I will speak fluently. But they do not practice daily. This is a problem. Because confidence grows through daily action. You do not need a big stage. You do not need a perfect environment. You just need a small start. Start with simple sentences. Speak to yourself. Describe what you are doing. For example, you wake up in the morning and say, I am making coffee, or today I will study English. These are small sentences, but they build your habit. At first, it may feel strange. You may feel uncomfortable, but that is normal. You are training your mind. Now imagine another situation. You meet a friend or a colleague. Instead of staying silent, you say one simple sentence in English. Maybe it is not perfect, but you said it. That is a win. Each small action builds your confidence. Each small effort reduces your fear. Remember this: you do not need to speak perfectly, you need to speak consistently. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. If you speak a little every day, your brain becomes familiar with the language, and slowly speaking becomes natural. Fear starts to disappear. When people try to speak, they often think too much about grammar. They think about every word, every tense, every structure. And because of this, their mind becomes slow and confused. But here is a powerful truth. People care more about your message than your mistakes. When you speak, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to share an idea. Imagine you are telling a simple story. You say, "Yesterday I go to market." The grammar is not perfect, but the meaning is clear. The listener understands you. This is communication. Now imagine another situation. You try to create a perfect sentence in your mind before speaking. You stop, you think, you hesitate, and then you say nothing. This is what fear does. So instead of asking, "Is my sentence correct?" ask yourself, "Is my message clear?" This small change can free your mind. When you focus on meaning, your brain works faster. You speak more naturally. You feel more relaxed. Over time, your grammar will improve, but it will improve through use, not through silence. Remember this key idea: clarity is more important than perfection. When you feel nervous, your body reacts. Your heart beats faster, your breathing changes, your thoughts become negative. You may think, "I will fail," or "people will laugh at me." But here is something important. Your mind believes what you repeat. If you repeat negative thoughts, your fear grows stronger. So you must train your mind. Before you speak, take a slow, deep breath. This simple action can calm your body. Then say to yourself, "I am safe, I can do this." Now imagine this situation. You are about to speak in front of others. Your heart is beating fast. But instead of running away, you pause, you breathe, you remind yourself, this is just a moment. Then you speak. Maybe your voice is not perfect. Maybe you feel a little nervous, but you continue. This is courage. Courage does not mean you are not afraid. It means you act even when you feel fear. And every time you do this, your fear becomes weaker. Your brain learns something new. Speaking is not dangerous. Remember this powerful phrase: calm mind, clear voice. Most people think fear is something bad, something to avoid, something to escape. But this idea keeps you stuck. Here is a powerful shift. Fear is not a stop sign, it is a direction. Fear is showing you something important. It is pointing to an area where you can grow. When you feel afraid to speak, it does not mean you are weak. It means you are stepping into something new. And new things always feel uncomfortable. Imagine this: you are standing in a room full of people. You want to speak, but you feel nervous. Your mind says, "Stay quiet." But what if you change the meaning of that feeling? Instead of saying, "I am scared," say, "I am growing." This small change gives you power. Now fear is not controlling you. you are using it. Think about athletes. Before a big game, they feel nervous. Their heart beats fast. Their body is full of energy. Is that fear or is it preparation? It is both. The difference is how they see it. So the next time you feel nervous, remember this. This feeling is energy, I can use it. Your environment shapes your behavior. If you are always in a place where people do not speak English, or where you feel judged, your fear can grow. But if you create a safe and supportive environment, everything changes. Remember this, growth needs the right space. Start by finding people who are also learning, people who understand your struggle, people who support your effort. You can practice together, you can make mistakes together, and most importantly, you can grow together. Now imagine this situation. You join a small group of learners. Everyone is practicing English. No one is perfect. Everyone is trying. You speak, you make a mistake, but no one laughs. Instead, they encourage you. How do you feel? You feel safe. And when you feel safe, you speak more. You can also create your own environment. Watch English videos, listen to simple content, repeat sentences, practice aloud. The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it becomes. And slowly, your fear disappears. Fear of speaking is something many people carry in silence. It feels heavy, it feels real, but now you can see it in a new way. You have learned that mistakes are part of growth. You understand that small daily action builds real confidence. You know that your message is more important than perfect grammar. And most importantly, you have seen that fear is not your enemy, it is your teacher. Take a moment and reflect. How many times did fear stop you? And now ask yourself a new question. What if I speak anyway? This is where change begins. You do not need to become perfect. You do not need to wait. You only need one thing, courage. Courage to speak one sentence. Courage to try again. Courage to continue even when it feels uncomfortable. Remember this simple truth. Confidence is built, not given. Every time you speak, you are building something inside you. Something strong, something powerful. So the next time you feel fear, do not run away. Pause, breathe, and say, I choose to speak. Because your voice matters. And the world is waiting to hear it. If this message touched you, take one small action today. Speak one sentence in English, just one. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Like this video if you believe in your growth. Share it with someone who needs confidence, and start using your voice today. Because your future changes when you decide to speak.